Sometimes it's not what you see out your front window, it's what you don't see. And we don't see any rock chips or cracks. That's what we don't see. Any service you require is supplied. They'll come out and do whatever you want. And that's what happened. George and Jeffrey showed up with their fully equipped van, and they're going to change my windshield. Didn't take them long, and they had the old window out in no time. Oh my gosh, that didn't take long to get that out of there.
So you know exactly what I'm talking about, right?
George and Jeffrey drove up from Yuma, 120 miles away, to install my window. They'd first done a couple in Quartzsite, and they had 2 to do yet in Yuma. And here comes the new one. Out with the old and in with the new. These guys sure made it look easy. The window wasn't held in with glue, it just held in with a gasket, so that makes it a lot easier. Having all the right tools makes it a lot easier. A little bit of prying, a little convincing, and before you know it, the windshield is in. This is probably not the first bounder you've done either.
Nope.
How long have you been in business?
Since 1992.
Wow, well, same as this thing.
Yeah.
Huh. Do you have a shop, or is everything done just on site?
On site.
After working the top and bottom, a little bit of convincing, a little tapping, the curved part is in, and she's just about complete. Installation complete. There it is. It's all done. It's all put in. Just a matter of paying the guys money. No rock chips, no cracks. We got perfect vision out the front window.